Hi, welcome back to my channel, and now you are watching a 4-star property. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, property located anywhere is attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoy their stay. Its review rating is 10.0, which is the exceptional. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of the basic questions about this property. Next, we talk about amenities of this property. So you can see on the screen, guests will be required to proceed with ID and check-in. The property accepts major credit cards and reserve the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The location of the property is first class and guests love to enjoy the surroundings. Several deals and offers are available online for this property, along with various main plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. For booking and more details, check link in the description. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking this property, then you can tell us right away. We will help you. If you have already checked out from this property, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed our channel yet, then you must subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss any video of our upcoming property. Thanks for watching the video till the end. So friends, will meet again in a new video with a new property. Be safe, be happy.